10 biggest stadiums in South Africa. South African football has improved with so many good stadiums with a large capacity to host another World Cup in the future. With good maintenance and the right funding, FIFA might give our nation another chance to bid for a football tournament. Here are the best top 10 and largest stadiums in South Africa today with their capacity and pictures. 1. FNB Stadium. The FNB Stadium in Johannesburg is the best football stadium in Africa and South Africa at the moment, with a capacity of 94,736 seaters for spectators. The stadium was first opened in 1989 and was renovated and expanded in 2009 in order to prepare for the 2010 FIFA World Cup. The stadium is also known as Soccer City and the Calabash and is home to Kaizer Chiefs Football Club. FNB Stadium has hosted famous games since its construction, including the 1996 and 2013 African Cup of Nations and the 2010 World Cup final game between Spain and Netherlands. 2. Ellis Park Stadium. The Ellis Park Stadium is located in the city of Johannesburg, is the second largest in South Africa with a capacity of 62,567 people. The stadium was first opened in 1929 and was also renovated and expanded in 2009 in preparation for the 2010 FIFA World Cup. The stadium's construction cost was around 40 million rands and it is home to Lions, Super Rugby Southern Hemisphere Rugby Competition, Golden Lions and Currie Cup domestic rugby competition. It has hosted games of the 2010 World Cup and the final of the 1995 Rugby World Cup. 3. Odi Stadium. The Odi Stadium is the third largest stadium in South Africa. The stadium located in Mabhida and has a capacity of up to 60,000 people. After its construction and opening in the late 1980s, the stadium has hosted many football matches, athletic competitions, and concerts. The stadium boasts many facilities, including a soccer field, athletics track, field events, 2 changing rooms, 4 sets of male and female restrooms, 4 kiosks, VIP lounge and seating, security room, referee room, press room, control room, admin offices, generator room, stores, several indoor sporting areas, 4 high masts and 4 ticketing offices. 4. Moses Mabhida Stadium. The stadium in Durban is the 4th largest with a capacity of 62,760. Officially opened on November 28, 2009, the stadium has hosted games from the 2010 FIFA World Cup and the 2013 African Cup of Nations. The stadium is also a venue for several events, like bungee jumping, concerts, cricket, football, golf practice, motorsports, and rugby union. 5. Cape Town Stadium. 5th on our list is the Cape Town Stadium, which is located in Cape Town. The stadium was known as Greenpoint Stadium during the planning stage and is the home of Ajax Cape Town and Cape Town City. Cape Town Stadium has a capacity of 55,000 and a construction cost of 4.4 billion rands. In the World Cup, Cape Town Stadium hosted 5 first-round matches, 1 second round, 1 quarter-final, and 1 semi-final game. 6. Kings Park Stadium. The Kings Park Stadium, which is also known as Johnson Kings Park Stadium, is located in the Kings Park Sporting Precinct in Durban. It is the 6th largest in South Africa with a capacity of 52,000 people and the home ground of the Sharks. The stadium hosted games of the 1995 Rugby World Cup held in South Africa and games of the 1996 African Cup of Nations. 7. Loftus Stadium. The Loftus Stadium is located in the Arcadia suburb of Pretoria, has a capacity of 51,762 people. The stadium was built in 1906 and was officially opened in 1923. It was renovated in 1977 and expanded in 2008. The stadium is the home ground of the Bulls and the Blue Bulls Union in South Africa's Currie Cup. It has hosted games of the 1995 Rugby World Cup, 2009 FIFA Confederations Cup, and 2010 FIFA World Cup. It is home to Mamelodi Sundowns. 8. Newlands Stadium. The Newlands Stadium is the 8th largest stadium in South Africa. The stadium is located in Cape Town, has a capacity of up to 51,900 people. After its opening in 1888, and renovation in 1919, the stadium has hosted many rugby games. It is known to be the oldest rugby stadium in South Africa and the second oldest rugby stadium in the world. 9. Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. The Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium, which is located in Port Elizabeth in Eastern Cape, has a capacity of 46,000. This makes it one of the largest stadiums in Africa and the 9th biggest stadium in South Africa. The stadium was officially opened in 2009. It was also renovated and expanded that same year. It hosted games of the 2009 FIFA Confederations Cup, 2010 FIFA World Cup and the 2013 Africa Cup of Nations. 10. Peter Mokaba Stadium. The final biggest stadium on our list is the Peter Mokaba Stadium. It is a football and rugby union stadium that is located in Polokwane in Limpopo. It has a capacity of 45,500 and was named after Peter Mokaba. The stadium was officially opened in 2010 and had a construction cost of 1.245 billion rands. It was built for the 2010 FIFA World Cup and hosted 4 group matches during the tournament.